So if you guys didn't see the last video, Derek finished up the 3-inch intakes, which are beautiful. We also installed the right wastegate spring. So we got that all taken care of. We also reflashed the car. So today I have to take it to storage. Derek told me no boost, so we can't go over 4,000 RPM. So I'm literally gonna be limping it to the storage area. But the cool part is where I'm storing the car, I am actually gonna have access all winter. So I will be able to work on some projects, work on the car some more, and get it ready for the springtime, where we will hopefully make much more power and be
Have a lot more fun.
a lot more fun. I actually wanna get on track in 2021, so.
I want to do it.
Yeah, we should.
We should line them up.
Miata versus 350Z, but the only difference is this is a fresh build and we don't really know much about it. And Derek's experience.
Already making excuses.
Yeah. If you guys are in Connecticut, you should seriously check out Derek. TDO Performance in South Windsor. I got it right there. I always say Enfield, it's not Enfield. But South Windsor, you should check him out. All of his information I'm gonna drop below and put on the screen here. And he's been a pleasure to work with. I will be working with him much, much more, and you'll see more of Derek in the future. Okay, so it's running really rough. I have to really pay attention, make sure I stay below 4,000 RPMs to get it there safely. I won't be able to film, I don't have my GoPro on me, unfortunately, so I will see you at cold storage. Or if there's any issues, which hopefully there's not. So if anybody is familiar with the Tool Time Tuesday on my channel, I'm keeping it in Nick's house for the winter, which is great, which means we can do some work on it, and it should be a lot of fun. We're gonna take over his whole garage. We're gonna take over his house next. Everything's gonna be great, right, Nick? Right. But you're a fan? Yes?
Very much.
All right, 0 out of 10.
It's beautiful.
All right.
It's a 10.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Well, it's good to see you, dude. Did you have a Merry Christmas?
I did.
Very good. Yeah, I got a new watch, but I'm still rocking the Casio because this is like a daily driver. This is my watch from the 80s. Ooh.
Good to see her again.
Yeah, right? It's been a while. When was the last time you even saw this thing? I don't even remember. Maybe sometime at church or something years ago. It's super dusty right now, but.
Probably like. I've seen it at all this year.
Well, I mean, it wouldn't surprise me. This year's been trash, but yeah, it is pretty wild to think about. But. Okay, hopefully that's enough room. We won't find out. All right, so the cameras both died. So this is like super close to everything. Extremely close. Came like a 1/4 inch to the mobile home. How are we looking now? Is it just a mess?
It's not great.
Okay, what do we gotta do? Move a bunch of stuff? I feel like I can't get out.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I probably should have just put more stuff out there just so we can figure all this out.
I've actually never filmed on my phone before and put it in a YouTube video. At least I don't think so. So this will be fun to try and process.
Alright, so not too bad.
Okay. How are we doing lengthwise? We got more to go?
Honestly, I think we might be fine if we were just a little more straight.
Okay. Do you want me to go forward? Like, what do you want to do?
Yeah, why don't we...
Back out a little bit, or?
I like that idea.
Yeah. Why? Because there's so much stuff behind?
I feel like you're then going to end up...
More center.
If you did like a 10-point turn, I'm sure you could do it. You know, if you back up, pull a little farther forward, and then try and
I can do it.
Here, I think you can do it.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
You're in.
Nice. All right, she's in. It was a tight squeeze, but she made it. Wait, look at the space we have here. There's actually a lot less room here than I thought, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. Nick, it's fine. It is what it is. But you know what? The most important thing is that it's off the road. It's protected from the snow. It's gonna be in a good environment, and I do have the option to come over here and pull it out, work on it, or work on it in here. I mean, it's tight, but it's not impossibly tight. I mean, we can still get stuff done in here. There's plenty of room here. If it's a nice day, I mean, we do get nice days every once in a while around here, and we can do some work. I don't have much to do on the car, but I want to do like a turbo blanket, wanted to do the meth injection kit, do some heat wrap, maybe relocate some of the oil lines, but there's a few things we could do. Don't they look great? That's 3-inch, and then look at the nice blow-off valve placement. Very good.
Definitely.
All right, here you go. I'll trade you.
There you go.
There you go. Your filmings.
Oh, am I now?
Yep.
Is it working?
Positive to the negative and negative to the positive. That's how I usually do it.
Yeah.
You're like,
He's kidding you, dude.
okay. Go to sleep. Merry Chrysler. Why is it so hard? There we go. And
There she
the
is.
light is on.
Very nice.
We're in. All right, so it's all plugged in. We're pretty much ready for winter storage. There's a couple other things that I like to do to the car for storage, but I'm gonna be coming by at another time. I'll make a whole nother video about it, so keep your eyes out for that. If you like this video, like it, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna have a lot more videos coming up. Thanks so much.